Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Shifter Cat and hope you're all doing really good. Yes, I'm back after not uploading for nearly 2 weeks and leaving you all wondering like, yes, Shifter Cat kidhar kya re baba? I'm back at it again to do some jobless quarantine discussions with my homies. Today we are about to discuss a really interesting topic that is about squids. I'm not talking about squids that chill out in the ocean. I'm talking about the squids on Indian roads, the motorcyclist squids. If you don't know the meaning of squid, then don't worry, I will explain to you. Squids are the motorcyclists who display irresponsible behavior on the roads which causes harm not only to themselves but also to the people around them. They display such behavior because they think it's cool and it will increase their swag level. They are also known as chapri in local language. The truth is that they're just a bunch of misguided dumbasses who think they're cool but actually have no idea how stupid they look.
Stupid!
There are many types of squids on Indian roads. First, let's break down the different types of squids or chapris and speak about them individually. Number 1 on our list are the most common type of chapris, that is the wannabe racer chapris. These people are having a presumption in their minds that their skills are far greater than MotoGP racers and they are always ready to have a squid race. Doesn't matter which bike they have, even if it's an Activa or a Dio, they will still try to race you because according to them, they are riders. And racing random bikers is considered as swag and it boosts their egos. They are usually the ones who go around snake dancing in their vehicle all over the road and making sudden lane changes and doing dangerous overtakes. Usually, expecting to see a helmet on their head is almost impossible, or sometimes it will be hung on their elbows either because there is nothing inside the head to protect or their species have anatomically evolved over time and now their brains are present on their elbows. The best way to avoid them is to ignore them and give them zero attention. That way they will eventually get bored with you and ride away somewhere else to find some real chapris like themselves to race with. Coming in at number 2 on our list are TikTok bikers. These are the people who buy motorcycles solely for the purpose of making TikTok videos. They don't care about the specifications of the engine, the power, the torque, nothing at all, okay? All they care about is whether the bike looks good for the camera or not. Typically, these people don't wear a helmet because helmet spoils their specially styled TikTok hair. The bikes that are most commonly used by these people are KTMs and Yamaha R15s. I myself, being an owner of an R15 version 3, am very sad to say that my friends always make fun of me that I own a TikTok bike. Now you may argue that just because they do TikTok, they may not always be riding dangerously on roads and you can't always call them squids. But no matter how they ride, remember most of the time they are not wearing their helmets to maintain their TikTok hair. So prioritizing looks above safety definitely makes them chapri. Coming to the third kind of chapris, that is uncle chapris. These are the middle-aged people who have way too much confidence in their riding skills. They can usually be found cutting into any busy road at any time without giving a single damn about whether any car is about to run them over or whether there is any chance of accidents when they enter a lane. Expecting them to use their turn indicators is next to impossible. And by chance, if any of these uncles have a collision with you, even if it's not your mistake, the fine always has to be paid by you, okay, literally. Because their middle-aged uncle egos will never let them accept that it's their mistake.
You are fucking, you bloody bastard bitch, fuck you, bloody.
And also because the cops, the general public and society will always support middle-aged uncles, even if the fault is not yours. Because that's just how the Indian society works. So keep an eye out for such uncles. Try not to get into any collision with these uncles, okay? Now moving on to the next class of chapris at number 4. That is the high school chapris. These are the chapris who have barely even reached puberty and they already have access to sub 200cc motorcycles. I'm pretty sure all of you definitely would have noticed these dumb 14-year-old kids with pencil thin pants and their shirts never tucked in, wearing those cheap 300 rupees ka fake Crocs and with no helmets, riding something like an NS200 or an R15. Though the bike is designed for seating 2 people, these legends will easily accommodate 4 kids in one motorcycle. And out of those 4 kids, all 4 of them won't be having license. The riding characteristics of these kids are similar to that of Uncle Chapris. Okay, they have no road sense, no lane discipline, lots of overconfidence, and an IQ of below 0. It is certain that these kids will learn their lessons the hard way by eventually crashing into some oncoming traffic. It's not a question of will they crash, it's just a question of when they will crash, okay? There is not much we can do about these chapris because even if they get into an accident, they'll either be forgiven saying that they're just kids, or their rich dad will get them out of trouble somehow, and after a while they'll be back on their motorcycles squidding around like it's their बाप का road.
8th में हो तो लाइसेंस होगा नहीं आपके पास?
पापा का नाम है ना.
वाह.
Moving on to number 5, we have the bullet chapris. Well, if you call them chapris, they'll probably come and beat the shit out of you the next day. These are the people who squid around in their RE Classic 350 or Bullet 350. To be a bullet chapri, adding a cheap and extremely noisy aftermarket exhaust is mandatory. अरे भाई खतरनाक exhaust है भाई, पटाखा exhaust है भाई. Well, that is just the beginning. What will actually surprise you is the fact that according to them, if you don't ride a bullet, you are not considered to be a man. They often make fun of sport bikes, calling them plastic toys, and the ones who ride them as namard.
ए प्लास्टिक. अरे मर्द बन मर्द, ये चला ये.
They often take pride in themselves and say that they are real men who ride bikes made of metal. They can often be spotted on the roads revving the nuts out of their low-revving long-stroke bullet engines and blowing out the eardrums of everybody around them with their insanely noisy exhausts, and thinking to themselves that there is nobody cooler than them on the streets, while deep down they know that they are doing all this bullshit just to compensate for their small PP, if you know what I mean. These chapris are an insult to the Royal Enfield community and bring a bad name to the brotherhood of genuinely good and respectable Royal Enfield riders. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you know any other kinds of chapris, please feel free to talk about them in the comments. And whatever I mentioned in this video was only for comedic purposes and was not intended to hurt the sentiments of any group or individual. So if anybody was offended by this video, just chill out dude. Anyways, I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. So see you all in the next video. Till then, take care, enjoy your quarantine, and bye bye.